sucks. This is sharpener, but this is too dry. It's easier when it's wet. This is it. Well, I will need at least three of this, so this is too big. I believe I can make two from this one. The last time you hit lower. This is good for barbecue, for starting the barbecue fire for free, you know. Let me show you something. Okay, now this one. See? When you have something like this with a belly, let's say this one was here, but I will sharpen here. You have a belly, see, a curve. You cut it like this a little, and you have a new straight stock. Only by taking advantage. This is it. See? A pointy. See, motherfucker. I will cut it from here, and I will make another, because I want to have the possibility to stick in the ground. Let's take another one. See, awesome. It was easier if I should show you here. So if you have belly like this, you cut it like this. Work with nature, not against it. You can work a little more, but do you really need it? See? It's okay. It's good enough. So I will cut them with my saw and then stick it in the ground to help tomatoes grow.